Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you have never ridden an electric bike before, don't worry, because in today's video, I will be showing you everything you need to know about riding an electric bike safely and confidently. Whether you are planning to use it for personal transportation, deliveries or business, this beginner-friendly tutorial will help you get started in just a few minutes. If you are ready, let's get started. Step 1. You need to get familiar with the bike. Before riding, take a moment to understand the basic control. Here we have the power button. In other words, you can call it an ignition key. The throttle, which is used for acceleration. The brake lever, the display screen, the headlights and indicators, the horn. Always inspect your electric bike before every ride. Check the battery level, tires, brakes, lights and mirrors. So now let's turn on the electric bike. To turn on the electric bike, you insert the key here to switch the bike on. Wait for the display screen to come on. Check that the battery level is sufficient to take you to your destination, and ensure that there are no warning lights on the dashboard. Then now let's learn the riding position. You need to just sit comfortably on the seat. Place both hands firmly on the handlebars. Keep your back relaxed and look straight ahead. Place both feet on the footrest and maintain balance before moving. So now let's start moving, now that we have started the bike. Now this is the exciting part. Gently twist the throttle to accelerate. Do not twist it too hard. Start in an open area where there is little or no traffic. Practice moving at low speed until you become comfortable with the bike's response. Step 5. Learning to catch the brake. Braking is one of the most important skills you must understand when it comes to riding an electric bike. Slowly squeeze the brake lever instead of grabbing them suddenly. Practice stopping smoothly several times. Now remember, acceleration should be gradual. Braking should also be smooth and controlled. So now let's assume you want to turn left and right. When turning, you need to reduce your speed first. Look in the direction you want to go. Gently steer the handlebar. Look in the direction you want to go. Gently steer the handlebars. Avoid making sharp turns at high speed. You need to practice making wide turn until you gain confidence. Then the number 7 step is riding safely on the road. So now when you are comfortable, you can begin riding on the road and make sure you take the following precautions. Number 1, always wear a helmet. Follow the traffic rules. Use your indicators when turning. Watch out for pedestrians. The people that walk with their legs. Keep a safe distance from other vehicles. Avoid distractions while riding. Safety should always come first. So now when you have finished driving and you want to park your electric bike, bring the bike to a complete stop, like switch off the bike, remove the key if applicable. As you can see, we have the key here, so when you switch it off, you remove the key and park in a safe location, then lock your bike. It has security. You can also put it on a security mode. And then finally, that's it. You've just learned the basics of riding an electric bike. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more electric bike reviews, tutorial and tips. If you have any question, leave them in the comment section below and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching and ride safely.